Hello everyone, welcome to Woxsen's ultra-modern sports arena, the League.
For all the sport buffs out there, come experience true recreation.
Structured with international standards and a game for everyone, the League has accommodation for a variety of outdoor games, such as football, cricket, volleyball, sand volleyball, tennis, golf, basketball, kabaddi, and croquet.
Also, coming up is a world-class indoor facility with badminton and squash courts, foosball, air hockey, billiards, a sports shop, and a cafe.
I am exhilarated to get on field and feel the adrenaline rush.
It's game on at Woxsen.